Welcome to Punjab, a land rich in culture, history, and vibrant traditions. In the next few days, we'll explore Jalandhar, a region steeped in over 2,000 years of history. This city holds a special place in my heart as my mother's maternal home. Join us as we visit beautiful mandirs and taste the best chole bhature and lassis. Coupled with a head injury from an electric tempo and hospitalization, it's been a memorable adventure. We spent our days shopping for gold jewellery and enjoying endless cups of tea and fresh juice. From Jalandhar, we'll journey to the legendary Wagah Atari border, where history and emotion collide. Soldiers from both India and Pakistan come together for the iconic flag-lowering ceremony, creating a breathtaking display of patriotism. Thousands gather to witness this extraordinary event every evening, making it an unforgettable experience. Our journey would then lead to the heart of Punjab, Amritsar, where the iconic Golden Temple and the historic yet somber Jallianwala Bagh await. Join us as we uncover the magic of Punjab in our upcoming vlogs. So let's do it. We've arrived now in Panj Peer Chowk. Look at it. Less chaos. We're just walking through the chowk now. You get all your shoes, any shoe that you desire in this market that isn't a Yeezy, original Yeezy. Look at this building, man.
When you go in,
It's green. Traffic jam. The wholesale market. We're at the crossroads. We chose to go down this route.
what do you mean?
What do you want? Have you told her?
You don't want the onion.
What's this? Potent brain and body fuel. Have you seen the Mercedes buildings? Look pretty cool. There's a traffic jam. Traffic jam. What's he saying here? Balloons. What do you get this for, brandy? Oh look! Look at the similarities. We're gonna run over. Yep. Oh man. Just trying to find that place. There you go, we're gonna get run over again. Yeah, back over, yeah. We're trying to find some sandals, but we found a lovely latest top instead. You gonna go for it?
I think it's more your style.
Look at the second one. Why is it so like round? What do you think? Oh, we're looking for some more there.
Also called a Punjabi jutti.
This is the one that they want, so we're gonna have a look around. So we found a place that may have them, so we're gonna go down now.
Should we go in there?
Go and have a look. Which ones do you want?
How many Toms? Plain Toms, right?
Hmm.
What is it? I know heels.
Hmm?
I know that heels.
Which? They're not bad though.
Get some Gucci's.
I didn't know Mercedes do shoes. I'm not gonna lie, been looking out for these for a long time. Supremas. Jeez. So we've been to one of the stores and we Managed to find the sandals. I actually got some of them. I'm gonna grab some coconut oil from here. I'm just gonna check if the brand's pretty good in India or not, because there's two types.
Parachute
Think. Yeah, it's some coconut oil, isn't it?
दोनों स्टैंडर्ड कंपनी दी है
एक ना size है 500
500 ਦਾ ਨਾਲ 100 फ्री है
Oh, so it's a bit of chest, a bit chest. एक ने दी
150
दोनों same
155 255 वो नहीं आलू के पैसे वो नहीं
cream which I see Ponds cream Ponds blue टक्कना वाला जाली cream है
आहो सर
वो मोड़ है देखिए
मैं क्या पॉन्ड्स दी कोल्ड क्रीम हैगी अपने को आ ले लो
So we have just picked up coconut oil and now we're heading down to do some real shopping. Shop a little bit more for a few essentials. And then it's crazy though, look at it. In this area, it doesn't really sell the stuff we actually want. It's more like household things. Although there's clothes now that are cropped up. So I'm gonna make a traditional kurta pajama to wear. Very comfortable to wear. Get that tailored. And then, yeah, that'll be great. So we're gonna try to find some material if we can find any. We're gonna try to get some more stuff on here now. It got very crowded in the shop, so what we decided to do was go hunting for some local tea, so let's do it. We're en route to try to find some tea. Let's do it. I think we found him.
Oh, is he still waiting for the tea to open?
भाई तेने कहा मेरी
Can't wait to have my cup of Earl Grey. Giving you a tray as well.
You try, yeah.
Have a good one.
just put it down there for a few minutes right drink your then we're going to take those
चलो इधर खा लेंगे.
Got a little tea here now. We're going to give that a go, but it's so hot. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. Just drinking my tea and wandering the streets. Still trying to find them.
You know when we had tea, we literally just walked around this.
We're trying to find one of the stores, but we're trying to get through this hustle. It's crazy. This everything here is like a mixture. So you get clothes here, household items, saris, Indian wear, food, sweets, tea. We went to the tea store randomly. Still Mendy as well. It's alright here. Closing in. We're gonna get run over. Straight down. So I think we finally found them. We have found them now, but just have a look at the wiring. Crazy, isn't it?
everywhere you go. How the hell do they live? How do you know whose is whose? Man, I love it here. So we've arrived here now. We're gonna try and get some steel pans and stuff.
बस स्क्रच वाले है ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਮਾ ਲਈਓ
280 की 60 रुपए का कुछ चाकू
While we're shopping.
बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी है ये कुकर नहीं बनना ओके उसका हेल्पिंग का उस मेटल का बनया
हैंडल तो नहीं हो जो फड़ो
नो 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 ए रिफ्टिंग हुई है ये पेज लगे थे रिफ्टिंग का
How'd you feel, Tony?
भाई समझ दे सुनाया काम कितना झंड की दी पक्का
That says it all.
ये चिट्टा है
काट करके देखना ये पता चलेगा
220 एक बार क्या चाहिए दो
होना बेटर है आपको दिखा देना
ये देखो
I tend to go to these toilets as soon as I'm around. Well, is it really that bad? Oh my god. That's bad.
Just go. I'll hold it like
I can't even go in. I'm gonna give it a go.
I've got the light. Leave it open.
You know when you got a bag full of water and you just drop it down.
You need to know what to do across the street.
Me and Serena just had an experience. It wasn't the best of experiences. No, I don't even want to touch the walls now.
I'm sorry. Don't touch the walls.
Okay,
I'm scared. I'm gonna fall.
same.
I'm gonna have literally that's nasty walls.
Try and get through this now.
There's a sink somewhere.
Where?
Watch that. I think it's here somewhere.
Is it?
Watch that.
We're trying to find a sink. I think he was upstairs.
कितने तो हो सकते हैं?
Oh, it's up here.
फिर बाल्टी दे ਵਿੱਚ
Yes. Press the knob.
this
Knob.
this
The knob.
अच्छा हाँ
Got it. You need the light. Do you not know what knob means?
That's what she said
knob up means one thing.
Could you hold this as well because I can't even see it. What did you do? You press this.
Knob up press
Okay. So you put the knob close to hand.
ये ना होगा ना सिलिकॉन वाला सिलिकॉन तो ओवरहीट से खराब हो
So you just pick these up now. Traffic jam. शॉप का नाम क्या? Okay, ठीक है.
देख
Too much traffic jam. It's crazy. Trying to get through it. Traffic jam. Whoa. Do not mess with the Punjab police. This is at Times Square. Cream लिखा और पे Cremica.
आप फिर ਇੱਥੇ
ਇੱਥੇ ਲਾ ਦੇ.
ਇੱਥੇ ਲਾ ਦੋ ਇੱਧਰ ਇੱਧਰ
What are we gonna get? How many? Back at it again. Someone chair milk for them coming in. नान चार रस मलाई कर दो ये लेके जानी है ना चल के पैकिंग है I'm going 4 for 6 supposed to.
इसको रखो मैं 2 और लेके आ रहा
Yeah, please. What's happening, guys? So we're gonna go get a trim now. I'm with main boy Tony here, and I'm with my mama. And these are, this is a milk badam bottle that we're gonna enjoy en route. It's raining. It's crazy, but we love it. Shop का नाम क्या?
Big Barber.
Okay. कितने क्या location?
Ravi चौक.
Ravi. So make sure you check this out. बंद कर होंगी शॉप
हाँ जी बंद सर वैसे 9 बजे ਆਪਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ
हाँ आज
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੀਕ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ
हाँ जी
ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਚਲੋ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਾ ਲੱਗੀ
what's your name नाम क्या था
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਰਵੀ
Ravi enjoying it. Of course I'm enjoying it. You have to get my decent cooking. My boy Ravi sorted me out. Your turn now, Tony. Got a head massage, body massage, and everything. Trim. Looks kind of fresh though. Look at him getting ready. What do you think? Isn't blessed? Tony being therapeutic. We said guys can't have a massage. Jeez, come on, Tony. I think that's for something else. So he's gonna use this machine on Tony now. Like a little vibrating machine. It's mad stuff. Not the first time Tony's used a vibrator. So we're back after the trim, guys. So do you know what you think? I haven't styled it. He's giving me massages all in my hair and stuff, but I think it looks good. So now we're back at the hotel and we're gonna eat and then chill and then see you tomorrow.